Okay, guys, welcome to Bird Watcher's Paradise, otherwise known as Khao Yai National Park in Thailand. I was not there to watch birds or bird watchers, and I tried my best to avoid them because I didn't want to be the guy who scared away the bird that they've been waiting all day to see. But the bird watchers are everywhere throughout the park, that's for sure, and for good reason. This park has an estimated 282 different bird varieties. Some are residential, meaning they stay there all the time, and some are migratory, only there at a certain time of year. But this place is awesome. Everywhere I went, there were people with giant cameras looking at birds.
Oh, that's a big camera.
This is a hike that I was on. Lots of bird watchers in here. There's lots of plants as well and rare flowers that people come there to see.
The bird watchers gathering to see the birds. That's some serious camera gear they got there. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I see at least 8 giant cameras. There's a couple of little birds in the tree. Apparently it's nesting season. Oh, they're really cool. Like a turquoise with black and yellow. You almost think of some superstar.